Sister.
Sister, let's go.
Oh.
We're ready. Look how she's hugging the gun, guys. So, we want to zip line, but we know that the boys want to go
Shooting.
So, we're trying to find a way how to.
And we are half unlucky because we came to the wrong place.
Yeah.
We were trying to take them to the zip liner place, and then we ended up in the shooting place.
Where they want to
So
go.
now we have to vote.
Let's see what they'll say.
Let's see what the boys say. If we're lucky, we might do everything.
We have bad news and good news. Jackie, ready?
Yeah.
So, the bad news is that we went to the wrong place. The good news is a place that you guys might like.
What?
BB shooting.
Yes.
What is BB shooting?
It's like guns, but like not real.
No
ammo.
guns.
No, it's gun. Like a BB,
Yeah,
it's
it's
a
gun.
BB gun, but like it's like plastic. It's like plastic
Who
bullets.
you gonna be shooting?
Like a shooting range, or you can shoot people if you want.
Yeah, but this one is a shooting range.
Can we go BB shooting? It's like shooting a real gun.
Okay, I hear you. My own thing is, now how much?
$15 per person. I'll pay.
She'll pay.
How much was the
Zip line.
zip liner?
We are about to call them.
So you prefer shooting to zip liner?
No, but I don't know.
But they say the zip liner is obviously long.
It's the longest in the country.
I'm the longest in the country. Huh?
You go up and you go down and you go down and you go down and you go down and you go. It's like this. You go up into the mountain, then you go down the mountain.
Yeah, but it's just one straight shot.
You stop in between, yeah.
So guys, shooting wins. These guys wanna go shooting.
Yeah.
But I still believe we can still convince them to also go zip lining. We'll just let them do what they want, and then we'll do what we want as well.
Yep.
Yay!
Oh, we can't start signing without them?
No, so
No, you can.
explains to everyone at once.
You can start signing the waiver.
Because we're gonna sign anyway.
Yep. And then for the 14-year-old, their name needs to be on
one of
these forms.
okay.
Today is the
23rd.
We just signed our lives away.
Just saying.
Are you gonna change your mind now that you see the risk includes death? The risk of leaving includes death.
Are you good now?
Yeah. I mean, if she signs it, I'm fine.
It's better to die having fun though.
Okay. You can pay when you get done.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, well, we'll get done, not now.
Yeah. It says we can pay when we get done.
Oh, okay.
Because if you don't bring my guns back, we'll track you down.
Yeah. But you're singing like with your nipples. Sing with your mouth. Let it come out. Our babies are here.
Shout. What?
Get up and show.
That's what it means?
Yeah, get up and shower.
Let's go to a party.
Yeah, let's go
Let's go to a party. That's what this song
Can
is?
we put it in your bag, please? Thank you.
Okay.
She's excited.
Maybe I shouldn't let you shoot guns then. If you're that excited.
Yeah.
That's a sign of maybe we shouldn't let you shoot guns.
I think
Hello?
No, it doesn't feel like
You
that.
didn't read the real fine print that said the
Hello?
discretion's still up to.
It says you shouldn't be too excited.
Trust me, we do have that right to refuse. Yeah, we sure do. Because once we give this, you have custodial responsibility until you bring it back to us. So anything that happens while you're in possession of the gun is on you. It has nothing to do with me. So that's if you shoot somebody, some property, an animal, anything like that,
That's your responsibility.
Has nothing to do with me.
Is that what was signed? That was what it says?
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought you read it.
That's why you're supposed to read before you sign.
So like I said, if for some chance you get over here and you decide to shoot a squirrel going by, I'm required to call the authorities. And it's between you and them on what they want to
How
charge
are you
you.
gonna call it? It's just a squirrel.
It is a squirrel, it's an animal.
You don't need the license to shoot a squirrel.
Yes, you do. In the state of Pennsylvania, you do.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Yes, you do.
For 30 minutes, then we come back.
Approximately.
30 minutes, come back and see me, and we'll send you on an adventure.
Ready? Look at how he's carrying his gun.
All right. Have fun, be safe, folks.
All right, thank you. Ready, Tay Tay? Said, are you ready? We got our guns, guys.
I don't know why we're doing this. But this is America. It's 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 You get a gun. You get a gun. Everybody get a gun. Don't point your gun at me. Point it up.
Oh, so you do one after the other. This is not right. I want to do go.
Which one? The real gun?
No, I want to do go. You only fire once. So you gotta keep
We
doing
should
this
have
every
brought
time.
the one that
No, I'm
stands.
saying, like, 2 people shoot at this range, 2 people shoot at that.
Why? So then we have more space.
Why do you need space? Do you have space at war?
You can't even hold a gun.
How are you supposed to hold it?
Like this.
Are you left-handed?
No, I'm right-handed. Is this the way to hold?
Pull it up like this, like one motion, then pull it back, and then shoot. Yeah, now pull it back, now shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Something came out. You didn't notice? You didn't know?
Yeah, but you
I
didn't.
agree, but I couldn't see where it went.
You have to, you can't hold it like that. You have to hold it like this. No, Mum, don't hold it like that. Yeah, like that. And put. You see the you see the sight that's near to you and the sight that's far to you. Like line them up.
This one.
That one and the one at the end, but line them up like together. And then
How?
Like you just line them up.
When I feel like mine is not doing it. Is anything even coming out of this?
Yeah. Let me use yours. Look.
How come it's so? Don't point it at me.
And you're pointing
Let
at
me
me.
do it.
And you're pointing at me. How'd you aim this stuff?
Yep. Breathe in and like don't like hold your breath whilst you shoot and then shoot and then whatever's the change as you aim is different. No, because like if you hold your breath, your arms won't fit.
Yeah, you got it. Sister.
Please don't make fun of me. I would not have survived as an MK soldier. Oh! Hearing everything right now. Yes, I'm not a murderer.
I don't think you're pulling it far enough when you cross it. No.
Are you laughing at her? Just
Yes, I'm laughing at her.
No, I think it's when you're pointing it down.
Happiness is free.
got it. Got it.
Happiness
You did
is
not
free.
get it.
I have my one.
Nonsense. You keep missing my hit.
Your hip?
I keep hitting it every time you're not looking.
That's what you care about? Your hits?
At least I hit something better than not hitting. Better than not even seeing where my bullets are going. At least now I'm getting into the green thing.
Yeah, you gotta just get in.
Can I at least get just one target? Just one. I don't even know where my bullets are going. That was a target and a half.
Alright guys, I'm done.
That'll be an extra $50
Right, she's paying. So,
each.
no, don't worry about it. She's paying, so.
Sister.
Sister, let's go.
Mom,
I'm waiting for you guys to be ready. We're
you're
ready.
ready.
Look how she's hugging the gun, guys.
Jack,
Yes,
was this your perfect shooting?
yes.
It says, yes, this was my perfect shooting.
They will go off on you.
Please don't do it like, don't do that, we're scared. We are very scared. We are very scared. So that was it, guys, from Guamashu to shooting guns in America, just for fun. I did not have any fun at all, because I do not understand how people have fun just shooting guns. But guys, this is America. Hi guys, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button so that you do not miss another video.